Hi guys, in this tutorial video we are going to see how to interface an depth camera with an RAS for robots, and this is a basic tutorial how to interface an depth camera with RAS, and I give the step-by-step process of interfacing in Notion documentation. It is in my description. Follow that and do it well. And next thing, what are the applications which is followed by the depth camera based on robots? Collision avoidance is one of the application, obstacle detection, and line following. That all are the things the depth camera using to in applications. And out of that, we have an 3D slam, robot navigation for post estimation, and augmented reality. After that, we have a human machine interaction using a depth camera. And first, okay, we can go into the tutorial and follow the Notion documentation and create a workspace first. First thing, we need to create a workspace. After that, we need to clone the repository for a depth camera interface. Before that, we need to install the real sign dependencies for depth camera. Uh, After cloning a repository into your workspace, make sure you are install the two dependencies of real sign, right? That two links and the two commands is available on my Notion documentation. Follow that. After that, clone it and make steps which I give in Notion documentation. And and after clone it, make catkin make. It will make the files, CMake files. It will take some time. Wait and see. And using a depth camera, I set the human machine interaction, right? That is based on augmented reality. Using depth camera, what are the actions we gave in real world that will be transferred by the depth camera to the robot, and it will be follow that physical actions, and it will be do it that in actuators. That's the thing we can do it on this navigation stack, right? And we can make a grid map also using a depth camera, and that is do it in this tutorial video in last, but I got some errors. That's not a problem, we can solve it in upcoming tutorials. And, and after make catkin make, launch that command which is I gave in Notion documentation. After launch, it will be defaultly launch the RVis. And once the RVis is launched, go to add and my topics, and it will be show the output of the depth camera in a point cloud, like go to my topics and message image and depth image. It will be show the point cloud output. It is an output of the depth camera. And after that, add a depth camera cloud point. Now it show the point cloud, right? It's an point cloud which is made by the depth camera. And we can make the TF also using this. TF is nothing but sensors which give the information about the joints frames of the robot. That is an ROS library, right? Transformation coordination frame. uh, and using depth camera, we can find out the angle, and that IMU sensors like ROYA pitch movement we can identify using a depth camera. In a last video, in the last minute, I will show that one, that output which is given by the depth camera, right? And open the another terminal and type RQD graph, RQD, and it will be open the RQD for visualizing the camera output, right? Go to visualization at last and make a image view. It will be open the image views. See here, it's showing the image output in grayscale reading. And now we can add a TF, a TF tree. and it will show the TF output. See here, it publishing the TF values from camera link to that, like that. It will be publish the TF values, and we can change that orientation of the TF using a frame, fixed frame, and it will be show the output on always. Uh, Using this, we can make an visual odometry informations and obstacle avoidance, collision detection, and human machine interaction, human and robot interaction, augmented reality. Using depth camera, we can make the 3D object, like it will be scan the physical object and make the 3D object. That is one of the major application. Uh, and it will be show the output of the depth camera, right? After that, I gave another link here. This is for SLAM, right? Is simultaneous localization and mapping. Using this algorithm, we can make the grid map, right? Copy that entire link which is given in GitHub and paste it on terminal and enter it, and it will be launched with default. And go to add and go to my topics and add a TF value and add a map, and it will be do the map of grid map. See here, that's the TF value, right? Now I am moving the camera from bottom to top surface in angle wise. It will be show the output in TF, right? So the entire location of the robot will be found out by the depth camera. It's a localization, and using this we can make the visual odometry, right? Thank you. Next video is based on the mapping using a G mapping algorithm and cartographer using RP lidar. After that, I put another video based on depth camera and camera lidar sensor. Is based on 3D mapping, right? Please subscribe this channel, and thank you.